Hi guys, Handysir at your service. So right now I am here in front of my carpentry shop here in our school, and I just want to show you guys my uh, backyard urban garden. Okay, have you seen that? Okra, the squash, there's the squash. And the radish, which we are going to harvest later together with my co-teachers, and then we will bring this home. And then I have here some papayas. So this is the result of pandemic because we don't have students. So during my free time I enjoy doing the gardening. And as a result, we have some fresh vegetables to eat. So we are going to harvest this radish later. It is about 4 weeks already. See?